If you're wondering how to use Top Echelon's recruiting marketplace effectively, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the platform's key features, how to get the most out of them, and show you why it's a go-to solution for recruiters and staffing professionals. Stick around until the end because I'll share how you can get a free trial with some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Top Echelon's recruiting marketplace is designed to simplify your recruiting process by connecting you with other recruiters, helping you find candidates, and even improving your workflow with tools that boost efficiency. Whether you're a solo recruiter or part of a larger staffing firm, you can leverage this marketplace to build your network and access an ever-growing database of job seekers. When you first log into Top Echelon, you'll be greeted with a streamlined dashboard. This gives you an overview of your connections, job orders, and candidate submissions. The user interface is simple, and you won't need to be a tech expert to start using it right away. It's perfect for those who want to hit the ground running without getting bogged down by complex systems. One of the platform's standout features is the ability to network with other recruiters. You can join a private network where users share candidates, job orders, and industry tips. This collaboration can really speed up your process because you're able to tap into the knowledge and candidate pool of hundreds of experienced recruiters. When you're posting job orders, Top Echelon helps you manage them in an organized manner. You can track job statuses, manage candidate pipelines, and see where candidates are in the recruitment process. This makes sure you're always on top of things, avoiding any missed opportunities. The system even helps you stay connected with candidates by automatically sending status updates and reminders. Candidate searches are easy with Top Echelon. You can filter candidates based on location, skills, and experience. Whether you're looking for someone with specific technical skills or a candidate in a particular geographic area, the search tools let you pinpoint the best match for your job orders quickly. Another huge benefit of Top Echelon is its integration with third-party tools. Whether you're using job boards, ATS systems, or other software, Top Echelon can sync up with them to ensure you're not duplicating efforts. This allows you to stay efficient while leveraging multiple resources at the same time. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, here's something that sets Top Echelon apart from other recruiting software. You can use it for free from the first link below. That's right. Click the link in the description to get started with an exclusive extended trial that gives you access to premium features with no upfront costs. Plus, you'll unlock additional bonuses that'll supercharge your recruiting efforts. As you dive into Top Echelon's recruiting marketplace, be sure to take full advantage of their community. Building your network on the platform can lead to more opportunities, better candidate matches, and stronger relationships with other industry professionals. And remember, the longer you use the platform, the more data you'll collect, allowing you to fine-tune your recruitment strategy over time. In conclusion, Top Echelon's recruiting marketplace is an incredibly powerful tool for recruiters. It's simple, effective, and full of features that make your job easier. Don't forget to grab that free trial and the exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. Start exploring the platform today and see how it can help you fill positions faster and with higher quality candidates.